The Excellent Computer Institute is a renowned educational facility that holds recognition from government authorities. It has earned its reputation as one of the finest institutions for learning about computers, offering a range of courses from basic knowledge to advanced skills. Students are given the opportunity to explore a wide array of subjects, including computer fundamentals, the history of computers, and contemporary computer applications. The curriculum also places a strong emphasis on understanding artificial intelligence, a crucial area of study in today's technologically driven world. The Institute provides numerous courses suitable for various interests and skill levels. These include basic to advanced Excel, Microsoft Word, digital marketing, web design, video editing, and graphic design, among others. The classrooms are equipped with modern amenities, ensuring a conducive learning environment. Each classroom is kept tidy, monitored by CCTV cameras for safety, and stocked with specific books tailored to each course. Conveniently located at Shivaji Nagar Signal in Govandi, Mumbai, the Institute welcomes new students at any time with open admissions. With Excellent Computer Institute, learners can embark on a journey to become proficient in computing, evolving from beginners to experts. For more information or to enroll, visit the Institute today. Embrace the opportunity to learn and grow in the ever-evolving field of computer technology.